from China, our company produced various Polariscope. It's the second month of cooperation with TradeWheel's. I'd like to show you a good news. This week, we received a new order from South America. I'd like to give all my thanks to TradeWheel's team. They assigned a professional international sales manager to learn deeply about our products, to search for target customers from all sources. What's more, they also communicate with our potential customers by making phone calls, send messages on WhatsApp or WeChat. I believe it will be a successful year by working intensely with TradeWheel's.